So here we have a really nice Dynaco Stereo 150. Can be monoblocked at 150 watts for each amp. 75 watts per channel into an 8 ohm load on stereo. And very, very solid, heavy, beautiful sounding amplifier. So fortunately I've got a laser machine here, so there's a little bit of whining noise, but when this thing is running it's absolutely quiet. So that background noise is actually my laser cutter and engraver. And let's do a little sound check here. I've got a completely rebuilt PAT 4, that's the one on top. I've got a rebuilt PAT 5, which is out of the loop right now. I've got a couple of other Dynaco Stereo 120s that I have completely rebuilt and restored, or refurbished, not restored, because these are actually almost brand new amplifiers in old cases made by with kits from updatemydynaco.com down in the US. I assembled the kits and they sound fabulous. So here's a first generation. It's got the PC36 board, really nice sounding amplifier of the Stereo 150. And let's give it a sound check here. I've got a CD player here. There we go. I got it playing on some Boston acoustic speakers here. And as you can see, sounds really, really good. These I don't have put on. I just opened up the case so I could check the inside. It's very clean. And I also have some capacitors that I'm going to install, smoothing capacitors, to upgrade them. That'll happen pretty quick here. And as you can see, it doesn't really need it because they sound beautiful. Original faceplate, which I have somewhere here, not sure where, but I could put the original black faceplate on, but I like the wood ones that I built with the 3D logo on it.